Welcome back, guys. Let's take a look at ETF, TNA, Drexion Daily, Small Cap, Bulls 3 times levered. Alright, so this is a strong play. I believe next week we could have. This is what could happen here. Of course, you had the wash down all the way to 10.11 from 75, about 61. Came back from 10 to 18. Back to 1165, back to 20, 15, 19. So we're in this range. 1893, it closed on Friday. So this has formed a symmetrical triangle. And symmetrical triangle can go two different ways. It can be a bullish move next, which will be here up, or it can be a bearish move down. Symmetrical triangle can go two different ways. So you have RSI slowly getting higher and higher. The trend is up. You have MACD. It's a complete green crossover. Very strong green over red. That is bullish. Down below you have slow stochastics, 72. It's very high, running strong. So I believe we're going to get to 2031. Then we're going to get at the bottom of this full body, 23, and then 25, this high wick. And then this little gap above will be 28. I believe that'll happen the next few weeks, maybe a month. We'll see how it goes. Any news in the stock market, anything can change that. So you have 13 EMA. It was very wide against the 20 EMA, which is very bearish. And see how it's getting tighter here. This move here, tighter, tighter, tighter. 13 EMA, if it can cross above 20 EMA, it's extremely bullish. So I believe that'll happen too. Also, that's a very strong sign. So let's take a look at the weekly chart. All right, the weekly chart, you have RSI extremely oversold. Made this dip higher. It's at 30.46 coming out of the extremely oversold zone. You have a divergence here, very strong divergence. All these strong wicks down. Look at these weekly. 1, 2, 3, 4. Found a move sideways. Then it was a bearish candle. Now you made a move up 20.35. And right now we're at 1893. You draw a little a line right here. That is forming on this. The weekly's forming ascending triangle, which is up and then across 20. So as soon as this gets over 20, it's extremely strong. Should be an extremely strong move. Strong volume on the weekly. People probably accumulating down here. You have investors, hedge funds, day traders, people who are really not day traders, swing traders, or maybe they're going to hold the next month. Very smart people down here buying. You have money flow, sort of sideways, 44, not doing much. Let me see if I can show you MACD. MACD is decreasing. The red bars, the high bar was on that like March 23rd date. See how it's decreasing? Let me see, I could show you here. See, it's less. The green needs a crossover red for it to be a really strong move, but it's decreasing every day, which is extremely strong for the bulls. So that is something to look at. So I believe next few weeks, even a month, we're going to have a strong move in TNA. And my target, high level will be 28. If we can get there, that will be extremely strong. 28. And then short term 20. And then I'm looking for 23 to 25. So let's keep a look at that and see what happens. Please subscribe. And we will go from there. Have a good weekend, guys.